Utah School District is under fire for taking away a fourth grade girl's inhaler while she was coughing, and eventually she wound up in the ER. 9-year-old Emma Gonzalez had a new inhaler that she'd never taken to school. Emma claims she knew how to use it, but the school staff wouldn't let her.
We have to protect the children. We have to make sure that the medicine that they have brought to school is actually for them.
School officials say their staff did the right thing and they only tried to verify the inhaler before letting Emma use it. Her father was contacted, but he says the school still refused to let Emma use the inhaler because certain paperwork had not been filled out.